Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start with essentials: power, app, and Wi-Fi access, not fluff. First, unplug the Google Mini for 10 seconds, then plug it back in to force a soft reboot. While it restarts, open the Google Home app and confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled so discovery will work. Once the device shows in the app, note its firmware version. Make sure your phone is on the same 4 GHz network. These steps clear transient faults and prepare deeper fixes. Next, you diagnose. Check the router's connected devices list to find the Mini's IP. Renew DHCP if missing. If the Mini connects but has audio or assistant issues, check firmware version in the app. Outdated firmware may need reflash. For persistent boot loops, perform a factory reset. But for corrupted firmware, use USB serial or legitimate reflash tools to install the correct image. Make sure to document settings, and finally, restore your Mini. Complete the setup wizard in the Google Home app, re-enter the same Wi-Fi and account details, and reapply any routines or linked services. Once configured, run voice commands, play music, and verify microphone sensitivity and LED indicators. If problems persist, collect logs and reproduce steps before contacting support. This single troubleshooting tip speeds resolution. Make sure to note error patterns and timestamps, so a technician can quickly identify firmware or hardware faults and advise repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.